Hello guys, today we'll be doing a requested video, which is my nighttime skincare routine. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that I have gone through a lot of skin differences. I've had dark marks, I've had acne, I've had all that good stuff, and I finally gotten my skin to behave no matter what kind of makeup I wear or how long I wear it. It is now 12 a.m. I am coming from a night out of the town, and I thought I would show you guys what I do to take off my makeup and get my skin ready for the morning.
Skin products used are not sponsored. I use a combination of Ordinary and Pond's products because they're affordable and they work for me.
So before I start anything, I like to take off my eyelashes and all of my makeup, and to do that I use my Pond's wipes. So the first thing we're going to do is just remove our eyelashes and all of our makeup. Now to make sure my skin has an extra clean, I go ahead and with my micellar water. Now that I've cleaned off my skin, I want to make sure that all of me is getting ready for the night. So I want to take this time to tell you guys what I do to beautify my smile as well as my skin. I am working with a company called Smile Brilliant, and they are helping to whiten my smile. So I just want to show you guys how I take the time to whiten while I'm also doing my skincare routine.
In the Smile Brilliant Starter Kit, you'll receive 2 teeth molds, catalyst and base putty, the whitening agent, and a desensitizing gel. You'll want to start by mixing the base and catalyst putty until the putty forms a light blue mixture. Next, place the mixture into the molds and bite down to form your custom teeth impression. Make sure you follow all directions and fill out your consent card before mailing back to the lab for processing. Once your custom teeth molds arrive, you can start your whitening process. Only use about 1/3 of a syringe of the whitening gel, and you can whiten from 45 minutes all the way up until 3 hours, depending on how long you want your sessions to be. I typically only whiten for about an hour. Once you're done whitening, go ahead and brush your teeth as normal and use the desensitizing gel if needed. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. Here's a before and after look at my first week of whitening. The best part about this kit is not only that it works clearly, but you can whiten up to the level that you feel comfortable. Now back to the skincare routine, guys. I start off with the Ordinary AHA face mask. I also call it vampire face mask for obvious reasons. I spread that completely over my entire face, being sure to avoid my eyes, and I leave it on for about 10 minutes, but no more. This face mask is an exfoliant, so I typically only do it twice a week. At most, it's definitely not an everyday face mask. Lightly wash your face with lukewarm water and pat dry with a towel. Next, to add moisture back into my skin, I use a low-level hyaluronic acid, and again, gently massage that into the face, being careful to avoid the eye area. You can already see that moisture being added back into my skin after exfoliation, but then I use my retinol, which is an oil base, and retinol helps with discoloration, dark marks, and acne, and it also helps to prevent the breakouts and heal the skin from previous breakouts. For my eyes, I use a Bioderma Sensible Eye Cream. This helps with my eye bags during the night and eye puffiness in the morning. Just lightly tap around your eye skin as it's really sensitive, and that's all you really need. Lastly, I'm using a high-grade organic virgin sea buckthorn fruit oil. Whew, that's a mouthful. And that's just gonna lock in all that moisture and the hard work we just did overnight. This oil does need to be diluted because it's super strong, so just add it to your moisturizer. I like the Pond's Anti-Wrinkle Cream, which is one of the best moisturizers I've ever found. I also like CeraVe if you guys like that. Now you know I can't forget these big crusty lips, so I'm going to use my Smith's Eucalyptus Balm and make sure these super coolers are ready for the morning. Get into that moisture, get into that skin. We glowing, we whiten, we're brightened, we looking good, we ready for the night. Boyfriend gonna wake up like, ooh, who is this angel? That's just about my skincare routine, you guys. These are my go-to products that I've been using for the last couple of months, and it's really helped keep my skin hydrated and resistant to all this cakey makeup and humid weather. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications if you would like to see more of me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.